Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Problem of the Day. Today we will be working on letter D. And you can put your finger on the first word while I read the problem. In the morning, Kate saw 8 snowmen standing at the park. By lunchtime, 4 snowmen had melted. How many snowmen were still standing at the park? So this story is all about snowmen. And in the morning, Kate saw 8 snowmen. Problem of the day, we use the solve method. And again, we're going to review, boys and girls, because a lot of my mathematicians are not doing what they're supposed to be doing in the problem of the day, which is first underline the question. So let's underline the question. And the question is, how many snowmen were still standing at the park? Then we need to think about what this problem is asking us to find, or what is this problem asking us to do. Is this a putting together problem, or is this a taking away problem? This is a taking away problem. Okay, and the problem is asking us to find the amount or the number of snowmen that were still standing at the park after 4 had melted. Check and check. Then we need to think about, what do these numbers in our problem represent, or what is important for solving the problem. So the first thing is that Kate saw 8 snowmen, and that's important. The 8 represents the number of snowmen that Kate saw. And then by lunchtime, 4 snowmen had melted. Not just 4 snowmen, but they had melted. And that's how we know it's a taking away problem. We do not need these for solving the problem. So let's draw a picture. We had 8 snowmen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 snowmen. So those are my snowmen. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 snowmen. Remember, we said that this is a taking away problem. And if we look at our chart, when we take away something, we cross it out. So how many do we need to cross out? We need to cross out 4 snowmen because they melted. So 1, 2, 3, 4 snowmen had melted. And make sure you check your strategy box. Let's use our cubes. So we had 8 snowmen. So we're going to represent our snowmen using our cubes. And let's double check our amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 snowmen melted. So we need to take away 4 of our cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take those 4 away. And now we have 4 cubes left. Just like our picture, there's 4 snowmen left. So let's draw our cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have 4 left. You can write the number 4. Make sure you circle your answer. Or you could go immediately to your answer key and write the number 4. Remember, when we thought about what the problem was asking us to find, we said that the problem was asking us to find the amount or the number of snowmen. So make sure you write your units. And our units for this problem, you can look at your picture, is snowman. Okay. Now, this is a taken away problem. And when we use when there's a taken away problem, we use the minus sign or the takeaway sign. So make sure you put your sign in your equation. We started off with 8, and then we took away 4 snowmen because they melted. And what was our answer? 4. We had 4 left, and that's our equation. On the number line, boys and girls, we put the dot where we start, and we started on the 8. And it's important to put the dot on the 8 so teachers know where you started on your number line. When we move forward, we add, and when we move back, we minus. And this is a minus sign, a taken away problem. So we're going to go back. How many spaces? 4, because we knew that 4 snowmen melted away. Watch me as I hop backwards on the number line. So I'm starting with the number 8, and I'm going to hop 1, 2, 3, 4. I landed on this number, and I'm going to circle it, and that number is the number 4. Circle the number that you land on so teachers know you started over here. And this is your answer, so they knew you hopped backwards on your number line because it's a taken away problem. And check your strategy box. Let's use our 10 frame, and you're going to draw your 10 frame. I am going to use my magnetic 10 frame for this problem today. Right? So we had 8, and I'm going to put my 8 counters. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have our 8 counters. And then 4 of them melted. So Miss Allen is going to take away 4. Or I can use my dry erase marker because I know a lot of you have your your 10 frame at home. And I'm going to put 8 dots. And now what you do when you take away is cross it out. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm left with 4 dots. So my answer is 4. And circle my answer. Okay, boys and girls? So remember, we had 8. And 8 is our whole. So we're going to label our number bond. Remember that our number bond, the circle with the lines coming out of it, is our whole. So we're going to label our number bond. And we had 8. That is our whole. We took away 4. So 4 is one of the parts. And we were left with 4. 4 is another part. Okay, boys and girls? So that is our problem of the day. And I need you guys to use your color pencils and check your work. Okay, make sure you are checking your problem of the day. Fill in your 10 frame and your number bond. Have a great day, boys and girls.